Thank you, Andres. Awesome rally crew. Thank you, me.
Oh, I was gonna.
Hi.
I was gonna go to the photo bomb. You can. You're a friend. That's okay. Go for it.
Photobomb! He really wants to photobomb me, so I'm gonna let him. There we go.
Go that way, Chris. You have to go out that way.
Leaving for the last service of Oregon Trail Rally. Whoa. Gonna run somebody over. Apparently some confusion. It's not rally unless somebody's confused. Good job, Greg.
Okay.